Hi, this is a quick walkthrough of BrainingCamp. We're going to take a look at their number line tool. I'm just going to scroll down here and show you that they have lots of different ideas, different ways to do math. And we're going to take a look at this right now. First, I'm going to sign in. And I'm going to choose the number line. And then I want to show you the different parts to it. You'll see that the number line opens up and it's skip counting by 10. If I change that label to 1, the number line is no longer readable. So I'm going to change that to 30. And that's more readable for what we're going to do. This tool right here, I like it because you can use it to keep track of where you're exactly at on the number line to isolate where we're at in terms of the lesson. You can grab a green arrow and stretch it to be the size you want it to be, and you can duplicate it. Oh, I deleted it. Duplicate 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I have 5 groups of 3. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 5 groups of 3, and I can record that as 5 groups of 3 equals 15. I can also show, let me grab just that one. So let's do 5, so that I have 5 up there, and I'm going to duplicate that 1, 2 times, and then I can write in there that I have 3 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, and that is also 15. So that's one way to look at it. I can click and drag and then click the red button right there to delete. My screen is reduced a little bit, so when you're using it full screen, it'll probably be easier to work with. Let me erase the ink, and I have another tool here, and I have the green arrow, and I can resize that green arrow and duplicate it the same as I did the other one. And I can write it out as a multiplication problem. I can write it as a repeated addition problem. 3 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3. So it's another way to look at that. Put the eraser away and click and drag, delete what I have there, and one more. And this one is the one I like. So here we have a bar model, and I can set that up. So now I have 4. I can do I can connect to the repeated addition here. I can write it as a multiplication sentence. I have 4 groups of 3 equals 12. I can use the pointer to reinforce 3, 6, 9, 12 going across the number line. I can also grab one more bar, and this time I can change it to 12. So I can click here to set the value, or I can just click here and drag it. No, it's not letting me drag it, so I'm going to click here and put in the value that I want it to be. I want it to be 12. Now I can line it up, and now I have a bar model that shows that this, from this distance, from this starting point to this ending point, is a quantity of 12, and then I have 4 equal parts, and those 4 equal parts are each worth 3. So just another way to make a connection in math. Okay, I hope you like this tool as much as I do. Please use it in a way that supports learning in your classroom. Good luck.